Hi, and welcome to British Girl Bakes. I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you 4 ways to hide the gender of a baby inside a cake, to surprise everyone when you cut into the cake.
Firstly, you can colour your cake batter blue or pink to match the gender. I'm weighing the batter I need for a blue cake, and then adding colour to only that part of the batter. I definitely recommend using gel colours over liquid colours, because they're much more concentrated, so they won't affect the consistency of your batter. Since vanilla cake batter is slightly yellow, if you use blue you might end up with a greenish tinge, so to prevent this, if you use turquoise or sky blue, which is already on the greener side of blue, add a drop of violet to warm the colour up and prevent that green. Ideally, use a shade of blue like navy blue, which has a purple hue, so it won't turn green when added to yellow batter. I'm dividing the batter between 3 pans, and when they come out of the oven, the cakes are a perfect shade of blue. If you like, you can trim the edges, which will be a golden colour where they've touched the pan. I'm making sure to frost this cake with thick enough buttercream to cover up any hint of blue inside, so that the gender is hidden once the cake is frosted and decorated. Now I'm going to cut into the cake, and while you're watching, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please click the thumbs up button. And here we go, it's blue inside! The second way to hide a colour inside the cake is to add sprinkles to your cake batter. Small sprinkles work best because they'll dissolve as they bake and won't add any texture to your cake. Divide your batter between your pans and add the sprinkles, stirring them into your batter gently. Or if you're using an entire batch of batter, you can pour the sprinkles straight into the mixing bowl. The sprinkles are most obvious in white or yellow cake batters, like vanilla, but they work in dark batters like chocolate too, although they don't stand out as much. Here's a peek of what pink sprinkles look like inside a chocolate cake. For this cake, you can see what pink sprinkles look like in a vanilla cake, but also the third way to hide a colour inside a cake, which is with a coloured filling. Here I'm using pink buttercream between the cake layers, and the same as with a coloured cake, you just have to make sure the frosting is thick enough to completely cover any traces of the filling colour, so no one sees the gender before you've cut into the cake. This is most important if you're using a pale colour of frosting, like white. One thing to mention about the 3 techniques we've covered so far is that with all of them, you risk the cake crumbs, or the filling, coming off on the knife when you cut into the cake. So before you've cut the second side of the slice, and lifted the slice out of the cake to expose the colour, whoever is cutting the cake sees a trace of the colour on the knife. For this reason, my favourite way to hide the gender is with sprinkles inside the cake batter, instead of coloured cake or coloured filling. Okay, the 4th and final way to hide a gender inside a cake is with piñata-style sprinkles. This one is really fun. After baking your cake layers, use a round cookie cutter to cut out a hole in the middle of every layer except one. You should have already levelled and divided the layers, and I cover step-by-step details for that in my online course on the basics of cake, and I've put the link for that in the top of the screen and in the video description as well. Assemble your cake as normal with the layers with the holes in the middle, and before putting the final layer on top, pour sprinkles into the chamber in the middle of the cake, which is created by having the holes cut out of every layer. You can use pink sprinkles, blue sprinkles, or if they're boy and girl twins, you can mix both colours together. Then place the final cake layer on top, which will be the layer that you didn't cut a hole out of, and frost and decorate the cake. And then when you cut into it, the sprinkles will pour out of the cake and show the gender.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If there's another way you like to do gender reveal cakes, please tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for a new cake decorating tutorial every week.